guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I'm sick. Yay me. We're going to be spending the day inside working on some crochet gifts this fine day. So I started making a gift last night. I'm just gonna let you guess what it is, but I already used one skein of yarn and I only have this much left. I only bought 2 skeins, so I really hope I have enough to finish the body and the head of this, but we'll see. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. Honestly, it's smaller than I thought it would be, but it's still pretty big. But I'm using the Premier Parfait XL for this little project here, so yeah, I'm crocheting some gifts for people, so if you're watching this and you know me, go away. But anyway, I am working on a cute little Bulbasaur crochet piece for a friend. Let me see. I purchased the pattern on Ribbler. I'll share with you who it's by. It's the like popular one where it's like a strawberry that I see everybody making, but here it is. Okay, it's by Crocheted by Dell. Oh, Crocheted by L, I guess is their name. Crocheted by L. Yes, okay. So this is the pattern. It's a cute little like strawberry Bulbasaur. I think it's meant to be made with like smaller yarn, but I wanted to make a giant one, so that's what I'm doing. And I don't think I'm going to do the strawberry bulb. I think I'm going to do the classic bulb, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm just going to be working on this today. Finishing this up. Hopefully I have enough yarn. If not, then I guess I'll order more and hopefully it comes before Christmas. But yeah, I'm going to be crocheting people like a lot of gifts this year because it's what I do. But yeah, I'm just going to watch some YouTube videos and crochet, so let's chill. I just finished the body. This looks like a little stool, like I'm gonna go work on the head now. I only have this much yarn left, so I'm hoping I can complete the head and the ears, because that's all I need this color for, is the head and the ears. So I'm hoping I can, I don't know, I don't think this is gonna work. I might have to order more. I just know it's gonna take forever to get here, because like last time I placed a Premier order for a custom order I have to make like a week ago, and it said 25-day shipping. So I just know that their shipping is going to take a while, unless I pay like, I think if you pay like $5 they'll do like a week shipping. I don't know. I'll have to see. I just know their shipping was like, sometimes their shipping is super fast and sometimes it takes forever, so I'll have to see. I mean, yeah. I just want to finish this for Christmas, and like, I already started it. I hope I have enough yarn. I mean, I guess if I can't finish the head and the ears, I can skip some parts and crochet the like bulb and stuff, but I literally have like, I have 9 more rounds in the head. A few of them are decreases, so I'll use less yarn hopefully. We'll see. Well, looks like I'm gonna need to order more yarn, so that's fun. So I guess this gift is gonna be paused and we'll work on something else today. Hey guys, so I got an order for some of my bauble Christmas trees. I have 2 of them made already. I'm just making the small one, so that's what I'm working on now since I ran out of yarn for the Bulbasaur. But yeah, I'm just working on this order so I can get that out, and yeah. I really hate winter because it's dark at like 6 o'clock. Honestly, it's been dark for like an hour now, but the lighting in this room is atrocious because I have 2 burnt out light bulbs that I just haven't replaced yet because it's a ceiling fan, so it takes weird light bulbs. So I haven't replaced those yet. So sorry, this lighting's atrocious. I could plug in my studio lights, but I'm lazy and my craft room's a mess, so I don't have space to do that. I think tomorrow's vlog is going to be me cleaning my craft room because I just have like a pile of yarn here that I ordered that I haven't put away, and just like projects and stuff that need a home or somewhere to sit for now. So yeah, we're gonna clean tomorrow. That's gonna be tomorrow's Vlogmas. For tonight, I'm gonna continue crocheting this Christmas tree. I took a break to go have dinner with my husband, and then we took a mad nap after. So I'm gonna go ahead and crochet. Also, I have another costume change because I took a shower today. Yeah, I was in my pajamas like all day because I'm ill, and I just took a shower at like 3 p.m. Judge me, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, watch some YouTube videos, see if I can finish crocheting this tree for this order, maybe package up the order, and then we'll see what else I feel like crocheting. I do still have to do stuff for the craft fair on the 9th, so yeah, I'll probably be crocheting a few more things for that. I am taking 2 trees out of my craft fair bin to ship out for this order because I don't feel like making new ones, and I'd rather just get them out. So I'll probably make new ones for the craft fair just because I want a few for that. And I want to make one for my mom, or a few for my mom, because she wanted some. And also she wanted some for like one of her friends, so I have to make 1, 2. My sister wanted some too, but they can wait till after the craft fair. But I'll make all those trees eventually. I have so many trees to make, but yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and crochet. Alright, I just finished the little red Christmas tree, and here's a whole set that this person ordered. So they ordered a large green one, a medium multicolored one, and a small red one. I think this set looks super cute together. But yeah, I'm excited to ship this out. I'll probably package this up tomorrow. Don't really feel like doing it right now. And yeah, I gotta think of something else to do now. I decided to get some ice cream, and I have been watching some videos, and I started crocheting another little Christmas tree. I'm using this multicolored yarn. I figured I'd make a couple more of these for the craft show, and I don't know, I just didn't feel like working with blanket yarn because it makes my hands hurt, so we're just gonna stick to the acrylic yarn for now, make a couple more Christmas trees. Yeah, just gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Okay guys, it is 9 o'clock, and I think I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I'm gonna go relax and read for the night, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye.